Hey everyone, it's Casey. I wanted to give you all a quick update on how I'm doing with Jack's work, kind of what's going on with that process. As some of you might know, I did start the corporate credit process, and that's what I'll be talking about on this video. And so, kind of how I went about that. First, I went online and I looked at all of the corporate credit cards that these financial institutions offer, all of the small business credit cards. And I basically looked at what their rewards were, how much money they'd be giving me back with my purchases. And then I was also looking at the sign-on bonuses. A lot of them have a new card member bonus if you charge a certain amount within the first 3 months usually, you get some free cash. And so taking all of that into consideration, I picked the 3 cards that I wanted. The first card and the best one that I considered the best was the Capital One Spark Business Cash card. This card offers 2% unlimited cash back on all purchases, which is great because as far as I know, the best personal credit card right now is the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and that one offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. So that Capital One Spark Business Cash card is actually a better card because it offers 2% back. In addition, it offers a $500 cash bonus if you charge a certain amount within the first 3 months. I believe that was $4,500. So if you're somehow able with charges to meet that $4,500 limit in the first 3 months, they just kick you back $500 for free, which is fantastic. So anyways, I did go online and I applied for that card, and I'm happy to say that I was approved for it. That card's right here. You can see it's got my name on it. Also, Truth Ministries Trust. That's the name of my trust. So that is that card right there. And then I went ahead and I took a screenshot. I logged into my Capital One app on my phone, and I took a screenshot of the credit limit, which is $30,000. Fantastic start for the trust. That's actually, I believe that's higher than any of my personal credit limits, and that was the first one they gave me right off the bat, $30,000. As far as I know, that is the highest line of credit in existence for an ecclesiastical trust. So I got that. I was very happy. It took virtually no time. I mean, I started this whole corporate credit process maybe 2 months ago, and it's all been moving quick, very smooth. So then I went to get my second card. The second card I chose was also a Capital One Spark Business card, but since I already had their Cash card, which is their top tier card, I went with the next one down, which was the Cash Select. I applied for that one online and am happy to say that I got approved for that one as well. And here's that one. It looks identical to the other one, but I assure you they are 2 separate cards with 2 separate lines of credit, different credit limits. I was able to get a $15,000 credit limit on this one, so half as much as this. But combined, that equals $45,000 in credit for the trust. And I do have a screenshot of that one as well. So you can see that $15,000 credit line there. Pretty cool. And then the third card that I decided I wanted was actually from Chase. They just came out with a brand new card, which is a wonderful card called the Chase Business Inc. Unlimited. They already had the Business Inc. cards, but this Unlimited card is new. It offers a I should also tell you, on that second Spark Cash card, that one offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases, and it offers a $300, I think it's $200 sign-on bonus if you charge $3,000 in the first 3 months. So I get $500 free dollars on this one, $200 free dollars on that one, $700 free dollars combined. And then moving on to that Chase Business Inc. Unlimited, that one also offers 1.5% cash back. and I believe a $500 sign-on bonus. I applied for that one, and I just recently got this letter in the mail from Chase to Truth Ministries Trust, and this was actually a denial letter. I wanted to show you guys this so you can see that, you know, this isn't fake. I'm not just, you know, making this stuff up and getting crazy results, always positive. Sometimes you do get turned down. It's a very minor setback. I don't know if you guys saw the reason on there for that right here. Too many credit cards. Too many credit cards opened in the last 2 years associated with you. So I can't say that I blame them. It may look a little abnormal on their end because I have opened a good deal of credit cards in the last year or two. So I just moved on, picked my fourth choice in line, which was yet another Spark Business card. Capital One has 5 Spark Business cards in total. 3 of them are cashback cards. These are the 2 best cashback cards they offer. And then they have 2 miles cards, which are good for travel rewards. I don't do a whole lot of traveling, but the cashback bonus was better on one of their miles cards than it was on the one remaining cashback card they had. So I decided to choose the Spark Business Miles Select card. And I applied for that one online very recently, and took a screenshot of this to show everyone that I was actually approved instantly online for that one. And they gave me a $15,000 limit on that one as well. So that makes 3 corporate credit cards I now have for Truth Ministries Trust. All 3 of them are Capital One Spark Business cards. Collectively, that offers $60,000 in open lines of credit to the trust, which is by far the highest amount of credit available to any ecclesiastical trust that I'm aware of. So it's exciting because now I just have to use these 3 cards properly for the next 3 months, and in doing so, that will create a credit profile for the trust, and it will also create a PAYDEX score, which is another term for the credit score for a business. So those will automatically be created. I've been told. I've never done this before. I'm basically just doing what Jack says. He's never steered me wrong. I've had nothing but great results with a few bumps in the road along the way like this, but nothing major. There's plenty of cards out there, so if you get denied by one, move on to the next. Same thing with the banks. If for whatever reason you get denied at a bank when you're trying to open an account or something like that, forget about it. It's not even worth your time. Move on to the next. There's plenty of banks, plenty of credit cards out there, so don't even worry about it. Never worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Just, you know, move along and get that corporate credit. So there you have it, folks. That's where I'm at right now. I don't have my 3rd corporate credit card yet. It's being mailed to me. I was just approved for that miles card the other day, and they said that they'd be mailing that out to me within the next 7 to 10 business days. So I'm eagerly checking the mail every day, waiting for that. And once the credit profile is created and PAYDEX score is up there, I'll probably give you guys another update and let you know how it's all going. In the meantime, may God bless your success, and I cannot stress enough how great Jack McCaig and Liberty Aid are. Above and beyond. I mean, words, as you can see, I'm at a loss for words. I mean, he's helped me in ways I can't even explain, with my credit, with my finances, and way beyond. So if you guys are having any doubts, do not doubt him. Do not doubt the process. I'm living proof. If you have any questions, feel free to add me on Facebook, message me. I'd be happy to help if I can. So happy day, and I'll be seeing y'all soon.